Welcome to the iconic Eiffel Tower, a symbol of artistic beauty and engineering triumph. As we delve into the history and magic of this magnificent monument, prepare to be transported to the heart of Paris, where history and innovation intertwine. The Eiffel Tower was built by Gustave Eiffel for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, a celebration of the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. Its construction was a marvel, completed in just 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days. Since then, the Eiffel Tower has been a witness to remarkable events, light shows, and prestigious visitors. It has inspired artists, signifying audacity and creativity. The Eiffel Tower welcomes nearly 7 million visitors a year, making it the most visited monument in the world that you have to pay for. It's a universal Tower of Babel, drawing people from all corners of the globe to witness its grandeur and elegance. At night, the Eiffel Tower comes alive with a captivating display of lights, casting its shimmering glow across the Parisian skyline. It represents the magic of light, inspiring dreams every evening. As you stand in the shadow of the Eiffel Tower, you can't help but feel the timeless allure of this remarkable monument, a testament to human achievement and a symbol of Parisian grace. It's an experience that connects you to the history, the artistry, and the beauty of this iconic landmark. From its stunning views to its enchanting presence, the Eiffel Tower is a place where history and tourists feel converge, inviting you to become a part of its enduring legacy.